Key PCI DSS terms that you should be familiar with before taking a course on PCI DSS. 1. Payment card industry. PCI refers to the credit card industry as a whole and is responsible for developing and maintaining security standards for all companies that accept, process, store, or transmit credit card information. 2. Data Security Standard, DSS. The Data Security Standard refers to the specific set of security standards developed by the PCI to ensure the secure handling of credit card information. Cardholder data. Cardholder data refers to any information related to a credit card and its owner. This includes the card number, expiration date, cardholder name, and security code, CVV. Cardholder Environment. The cardholder environment refers to the physical or virtual environment in which cardholder data is processed, stored or transmitted. Compliance. Compliance refers to the process of meeting the requirements set by the payment card industry data security standard. Merchants. Merchants are businesses that accept credit card payments from customers. Service providers. Service providers are companies that process, store, or transmit credit card information on behalf of merchants. Point of sale, POS, system. A point of sale, POS, system is the hardware and software used by merchants to process credit card transactions. Security measures. Security measures refer to the technical and physical controls used to protect cardholder data from unauthorized access or theft. Penetration testing. Penetration testing is a type of security testing that simulates an attack on a network or system to identify vulnerabilities. Self-Assessment Questionnaire, SAQ. The Self-Assessment Questionnaire is a tool used by merchants to assess their compliance with the PCI DSS. Qualified Security Assessor, QSA. A QSA is a professional who has been certified by the PCI to perform assessments of merchants' compliance with PCI DSS to perform assessments of merchants. A QSA perform assessments of merchants to make sure they comply with PCI DSS. Acquiring bank. An acquiring bank is a financial institution that processes card payments on behalf of merchants. The acquiring bank acts as an intermediary between the merchant and the card issuer to facilitate the transaction and ensure that the payment is approved. Card issuer. A card issuer is a financial institution that issues credit cards to consumers. The card issuer is responsible for approving or declining transactions made with their credit cards and is also responsible for issuing new cards to customers. Consumer. A consumer is a person who uses a credit card to make purchases. They are the end user of the card and are responsible for making payments to the card issuer. Merchant. A merchant is a business that accepts credit card payments as a form of payment for goods and services. Merchants are responsible for ensuring that their card processing environment is secure and in compliance with PCI DSS requirements. By understanding these terms and their definitions, you will have a basic understanding of the players involved in a credit card transaction and the purpose of PCI DSS. For example, when a consumer makes a purchase at Walmart using their credit card, the acquiring bank processes the payment on behalf of Walmart and communicates with the card issuer to approve or decline the transaction. The card issuer will check the consumer's credit limit and the authenticity of the card before approving the transaction. Once approved, the funds are transferred from the consumer's account to the merchant's account, with the acquiring bank and card issuer taking a small fee for facilitating the transaction. Throughout the process, the information is protected by PCI DSS security standards to ensure that sensitive information is not compromised.